Okay, so hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Oscar Outdoors. Join me in this one as a stealth camp in the local reservoir. Okay, so welcome back everyone. As you've just seen, I've just crossed over between two islands, not even islands really I suppose, in this little reservoir. As I said, I'm trying to do a stealth camp, so I've come here to sort of get out of people's way. There's not going to be many daft people who that cross over that little bit of reservoir, because where I am, if you follow English Woodsman, you'll have seen him do one where a warden nearly caught him, and he came round. This is where Daniel camped in this reservoir, and he's been coming round somewhere between 8 and 10 o'clock at night. Now I've come down, it's 9 o'clock now, I've come down as late as I could really. I'm going to get set up. I'm not going to do any sort of cooking. In fact, the cooking that I've done at home, so I'll just overlay that now. And yeah, so I did all that at home, and I've just put that in like a little thermos flask just to keep it warm a few hours ago, just to obviously give me a meal while I'm out here, something to relax. It's 5 degrees currently, but I think we're going to drop down to just above 0, so I think 1-2 degrees without looking at the weather forecast again. I couldn't tell you, but yeah, I'm going to get set up, which tonight I'm in Stratosphere, so I'll get that set up and I'll bring you back. I'm just going to have a quick look around like this little island, what I'm going to call it, and pick a spot, and you can see it's just got like bushes popping up here, there and everywhere. Now there's a bit of a gap sort of here. You follow the hot spot of the torch, that's roughly where I'm going to hopefully put the Stratosphere, because yeah, there's all these little heather bushes popping up and you know, all kinds of different foliage, so I think there looks probably best. Now there's some swans that inhabit this place as well, and I can't find them at the minute. I know their nest is usually in the corner, but yeah, I'm going to get set up and I'll bring you back. Okay, so with me tonight I've got here my base camp ops sleeping pad, which is one with the foot pumping. When I've used it a couple more times I'll do a quick review on that, but you can see how small I can get it. I managed to get it in a small Snugpak branded dry bag. My sleeping bag tonight again is the Softly 6 Kestrel, rated down to -5. Again, you can see how I've compressed it. And then I brought the tarp, but I don't think I'm going to use that. I was going to put it over the top, but I'm not expecting much rain. And I've got the jungle blanket as well, just to sort of wrap around the sleeping bag, give me an extra layer of protection. Yeah, that is it. That's my sleep system done, so I'll get that set up. I knew the swans would make an appearance. Here they are, look. The male has come to check out what I am, and the female just lingering in the background, telling the husband what to do, just like in human life. Okay, so I've not laid out the sleeping bag yet, but you see I've blown my air mat up to like the rigidity that I like, just a bit of a spring in it. But yeah, and then I've got the sleeping bag and the jungle blanket just in there. It's going to double up as my seat now. As I say, it's getting quite late, so I'm just going to make myself a quick hot chocolate and then hopefully eat the food that I prepared at home earlier. So yeah, just time for me to make a quick hot chocolate. Brought these with me, picked it up at local B&M. I think I've got 2, 3, 4, I don't know, 5 or 6 in there. So, see how they fare. That's it, just check it works for a second. Get this on. Simple bit of water. If I quick get warm that up. So yeah, we just come to a boil, as I say, nice and simple. These instant like hot chocolates. There were 6 in the packet, and then obviously the top one had a lid, pull off the bottom, just like a vending machine drink really, nothing too spectacular. So yeah, I'm just going to top this up, turn gas off, now that we're on the boil. Beauty of this is as well, the way I've cooked today, if the thermos isn't actually ready or warm enough, I can still cook back in here because I've only boiled water in it, so I could use this to reheat the curry as well. Lovely. Right, good filthy I am. Right, I'll bring you back in a minute. So I'm just chilling out with my hot chocolate. Not the best, but it's wet, it's warm in it. Ugh. And then I'm going to go for my tea, see how well this flask's held up. Thermo Cafe Thermos. yeah, couldn't say all about times and stuff on it, but we'll see, won't we? So it does actually come with a spoon in the lid, but I had brought a long handled one with me anyway. I'll cover that back up and I don't lose it, do I? I'm good at that, losing stuff. And it's vacuumed pretty well, so I'm hoping it's kept it nice and warm. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see the steam coming. Can you see it? Now it's coming up 10 o'clock at night and I had this at lunchtime. So it's gone about 10 hours, 9.5, 10 hours roughly. Ish. I think I'm keeping these ducks awake. Oh, right, I'm going to sit back and enjoy this Korean rice in like a thermos flask. Right, bring you back shortly. Oh. Pogged. Quite surprised how well that flask performed. It was only a couple of pounds from Tesco's. Oh, could hardly breathe. So I've not seen another soul down here since I've been here. I've only been here, like I said, just over an hour or so now. I've set up, made a hot chocolate, cooked. Just a simple overnight of this. I'm going to be going to bed shortly. My wife's at work in the morning. She starts at 7:30. I have to leave the house at 6:30, so I'll be home before light, unfortunately. I would like to show you the sunrise over the reservoir and how I've positioned myself here. So if you know the Stratosphere, it's a right hand door. So the door obviously is here, and I'm looking over the little reservoir to my right. To the left is the footpath. Well, the little island, I'm on the island, that, so the little gap in the two little bits of land, and then the footpath. I'll see if I can screenshot the Google map image of it. Put that on here somewhere now. But yeah, other than that, it's just chill out time. Stick a film on. If what exciting happens, I'll bring you back. At 11:30 now. Yeah. Didn't actually watch a film, I'll be watching Only Fools and Horses. I'm getting a bit tired now and I've got cold, so I'm on top of my sleeping bag at minute, so I'm going to get in it and settle down for the night. Although my jacket's keeping me warm. This is the SJ9 from Snugpak. As you can see, a lot of my gear is Snugpak, and if you are a regular subscriber, you know that that is the brand I use. You know, I'm not sponsored by Snugpak or anything like that. I'm just lucky enough to live quite local to them, so you know, support a local company where you can. Oh, yeah, well for now. Excuse me. I'm gonna get some kip. See you in a bit. I think I've really upset these swans. I can hear them sort of grunting, going on around me all the time. I think they're circling this little island. Doing me head in. Buggers. Did you hear them? I think I've really upset them by being here. Sorry, Mr. Swan. Right, I'm going back to sleep. Oh, do me head in now, I need a wee. About 3 o'clock-ish. Open my vent if you can see this bit. I'm getting a bit warm, if I'm honest. I am a warm sleeper. I've still got my jacket on because I've only got a t-shirt, and my torso's out of the sleeping bag. So it's here. Yeah. These swans are really upset with me. Got about 3 hours and I need to be up anyway, so. Oof. Oh. So it's coming up just before 6. You see it's quite windy. My tripod. And you can hear the swan, but I can't quite see him through the bushes. Oh, he's there. Can you see him? There you go, look. I've proper annoyed him all night long by being here, I think. Oh, so I think it's time to get up, get packed up and get home. 2 minutes. Oh. Right. It's time for me to get up. Get straight over here, I've got that tuft there. Oh, yeah, better get up. But no condensation, thankfully. So, my gear's just got a bit. Oh, I've got slugs all over me. Look at that. I'm glad I've had it zipped up now. Yeah, if you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, let me know what you thought about it. If you're not already, subscribe to the channel by pressing this, and I'll leave you some more videos here and here. See you soon.